Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a boat with paper. So you're going to have a blank piece of paper. So what you're going to have to do is take the two corners of your ends with your fingers. And then you're going to cross it like that. And then you're going to take this side and do the same thing. Now, you may want to do them very good. Just like that. Then what you're going to do is take your bottom and fold it just like that. Now we made a boat, but we're not going to keep it plain. We're going to color it. Because we want it to look colorful. So I'm going to color it blue on the bottom. You're gonna have to keep coloring. That's the bottom, and the top's gonna be yellow. So guys, that's how you make a really colorful boat. I gotta go to my work. So I hope you guys like the boat. And I'll see you when I will make lots of crafts.